Ang galo. Sa Miboy. Ol. Loy lagi.
And also, I would like to acknowledge the BDRRMC Kalinan proper. Yay! And also the Volunteers Coalition Action Network at the Vocal. And also, I would like to acknowledge the arrival of the Congressman Isidro Magstaff. And I would like to
Dilakaw naman, ano mga lupon dito? Ang mga lupon man, ano, dilakaw na.
Yay!
Wala man sir. Abot yung anak ron. Abot yung anak ron, sir.
And also the arrival of our third district city councilor, Dr. Potpot Villafuerte. Yay!
Parang dito tutukin. And I would like to acknowledge the arrival of the Smith Advencula staff. And also, I would like to acknowledge the arrival of the City Councilor, Dr. Enzo Villafuerte. Yay! Smile! And we also the arrival of the staff of Jopet Baluran, Conde Baluran, and Mayor Duterte staff. And also I would like to acknowledge the City Agriculturist Office. Yay! And also the City Health Office, Kalinan District. Good morning. And I would like to acknowledge the arrival of the HRH personnel of Kalinan District Department of Health. Smile! Una nila kay busy na pista no.
Animal Bite Treatment Center, Kalinan District. Good morning.
Sayo kinamalingki ang kulo ato
The
pagkiron.
PHW Barangay Health Worker, Kalinan Poblacion.
Itong pagkiron, mga aswatro.
Good morning mga animal! Paata Kubi, Animal Bite Center. And also, I would like to acknowledge the arrival of the Barangay Nutrition Scholar Kalinan District and also the CSWDO Kalinan District. Good morning! And also the PIA Kalinan. Yay! And I would like to acknowledge the Social Security System, Kalinan Service at the Kalinan District. And also I would like to acknowledge the arrival of our Peso Kalinan District and the
Dudong.
pag-agi na. Ay, te, ikaw man din natin.
Of the Lieutenant Cipriano Villaferte Senior Elementary School, faculties and students and fans.
Naaja pun. Oy, labot na pista. Uma pa pista. Oh, may tarong klase din ron.